Kung ikaw ay OFW bagong kasal or patuloy nangungupahan at naghahanap ka na ng bagong lilipatan, try visit Fairview Subdivision baka ito na ang sign introducing brand new townhouse for sale. Ito ay ready for occupancy na. Lipat agad through bank financing, 2 to 3 weeks upon bank approval. 95 square meter floor area, 50 square meter lot area, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Matapuan po ito sa Tarectec, San Carlos City, Pangasinan. Just 15 minutes drive from the city proper. Flood-free and secured subdivision. PM now for inquiries and site visit. Hurry. Only 4 units left available, RFO. Ito ay may lawak na 4.2 hectares hindi bahain with basketball courts, wide garden, ongoing construction of children's park, swimming pool, clubhouse. 1,000 reservation fee for townhouse, napakasayng tumira sa iyong sariling bahay at nakapangalan na iyo ang titulo ng lupa. Sa mga interesado, tumawag lamang sa numerong 936-505-3437 para sa assistance.